watch that. Sorry for the wind because it's probably loud out here. Gotta get out and do some creek fishing today. Yeah, social distancing. I don't like people that much, but I still like going out and getting around my friends here and there. So next best thing, I guess, is find a little creek, do some fishing today, see if anything's biting. The sun's out. It's a little windy, but it's like, I don't know, 68, 70 degrees already. So see how it goes. See you in a bit. All right, first fish of the year, little greenie. This is a pretty good size one. We had a couple bites out here, just using some little tubes, and seeing how it's going. Feels good to catch one finally. All right, folks, at my second location, and gonna go here, and I'm sure it's gonna be sloppy muddy, but I don't really care. It's better than sitting at home all day watching YouTube videos. But I caught a little green down at the last creek, and I'm hoping to catch something over here too. Basically, all I'm using is these little grubs on my little micro Shakespeare. So everything goes. I've been changing up from dark to light. It seems like they're liking the light better. That's what I've been getting most of the nibbles on, but most of it's been little small fish so far. So maybe we can pull a decent one out. And I forgot my GoPro and my harness for my phone, so I'm basically just taking pictures and clips as I go. See you in a bit. Good thing I got my old boots on because this crap is muddy. Second cast. That's a pretty good one. I think the brighter colors are going to work today. Just in this little low bit of water. Let me get this big boy in there. All the stuff going on in this world today. It's just freaking nice and relaxing to get out here and get out in nature, get away from all of it. And I'm still away from everybody. Alright. So guys, it was the first time I've been out this year to do a little creek fishing. It's been raining a lot here in southern Illinois, and the conditions, it's just been cold one day, hot the next, and it's been ridiculous. I've been working a lot. I work in the dairy business, so, coronavirus comes in and everybody has to stockpile 12 freaking gallons of milk in their house, whatever. But it was good to get out. I've been hanging out with a friend, and me and her have been doing some traveling as far as just social distancing. Just get out and find some parks and some trails to cruise around in, and there's a lot of people at the park, but nobody was down at the creek today. So I'm the type of person can't stay in the house a whole lot. I do that a little bit in the winter after deer season and get stuff done around here, but I have to get out. I can't sit around. And since all the state parks are closed, where I usually go hiking and camping and stuff, and restaurants that, I just want to go out and get a good taco someplace. Everything's shut down, and so you just kind of find something to do, but don't sit here and be bored all day and sit in your house and watch YouTube and Netflix and all that. Even though I'm making this YouTube video, it's got to get out and keep doing stuff. I'm not saying go to a large group of people and spread whatever's going on or potentially put yourself in harm's way, but get through it. We're doing church through YouTube, and it's still good because we can still call each other and talk to each other and pray for each other and still have, semi-normal life. It's going to be over, whether it's sooner or later eventually. I mean, one way or the other, it's going to be over. So just keep up some good spirits, and hopefully a little bit of warmer weather be coming in here and be able to make a few more videos. Stay safe out of here, everybody. Have a good day.